family. Hey everyone, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Today I want to share with you a beautiful boo basket. It's Vlogtober. It's the end of Vlogtober. I want to thank everyone that has watched all these videos for 31 days, and I appreciate your support. But I'm doing a boo basket. And a boo basket is a harvest or a Halloween themed basket that you give to your boo. It can be for your child, your boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever, someone special. And I think these are really, really popular, like for the teen that's not going to go out trick-or-treating like the little kids. Or if you want to send something to your college-bound child, or person, anybody in your family that's in college, because October is the time when studies are, you're in high gear now, this time of life, at this time of the year. So you want to send them something to get them ready for the fall. So I got this cozy pillow here, so cute, and a candle, and along with this pillow is a beautiful throw. You see this throw right here? And give them a nice little sippy cup. So while they're studying, they will have a nice insulated cup here. And get a big sturdy basket so they can put their things in there. They can use it as a little lingerie basket, or keep their household dorm room items in it. And then, that they need some little slippers and some grooming things. If you know what they need, get them some little slippers, cozy slippers, and a manicure pedicure set. I have a mirror in here. Here's another small pillow here. This pillow set came in two for $9.99 at Aldi. And this blanket was $4.99 at Aldi, so I put both pillows in here. And then add their favorite snack. And this is some cotton candy. And then we got some peanut butter kisses in here. And then we'll polish it off with a beautiful fall bow. And you can put it in a basket bag. Tie it all up and give it to your favorite, to your boo. Girlfriends can do this to their girlfriends, and vice versa. Okay, I won't bring this out. Okay, so this is what the, let's see, we're gonna pull this out. Beautiful candle, and put a little accent in it. So we have a harvest throw. So they can have a nice little, these are functional. Actually, like for a nice little dorm room. This is really cute. Along with the pillow. They're set. You can also put a hat and scarf set. Now, if you know your recipient is more fall, you do more fall related stuff. If they love Halloween, put more spooky stuff. Spooky Halloween candle. A throw of ghosts and goblins on it. Okay, so just wanted to inspire you. If you were thinking of ways to maybe send something off to your college age child or someone that this is a great idea. Fall boo basket. All right, so let me see if I can halfway put it back in here. Fold it in half. back in. Okay, stick it back in there. And there we go. Beautiful. Turn it around one more time. Put your snacks on one side. Got the extra pillow. Put some care products. Put your candle. Oh, I did have some. Forgot I put some pair of cozy socks. Put a hat and scarf set. Good. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys supporting Vlogtober, where we do something every day to prepare for the holidays and to get things cozy and fun for fall. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button so that the algorithm, YouTube, will know that somebody's like what I'm doing over here, and they'll keep pushing out my content. And subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.